Do you see the movement? Give me the card. Black Friday is here. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, before I get into this glueless, no glue, no spray, just a little gel, glueless and quick wig install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. We got another Black Friday deal. Let's go ahead and put this wig on because your girl got some errands today. I want these deals, so I gotta get myself together. First, let me tint my lace with my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. I do expect this install to be fairly simple and quick because this is their like 3D dome cap construction with the drawstring. Y'all know how I feel about that drawstring. It's just, oof. Give me all the drawstrings. Anything to keep this wig on my head and glueless, I'm here for it. My wig does have the Velcro combs. I'm gonna take the side ones out, leave the back. Okay, put it on my head. Oh, wait a minute, no, jinkies. Gotta spray it down with my hair perfume because I don't have time to wash it. But when you wash your wig, based on this texture, it will feel a lot thicker and it will swell because it is a kinky straight unit. So you will want to use your hot tools to get that, you know, together. If you plan on wearing it sleek, I don't know, you may want to wear it fluffy. Please fit. Okay, there we go. I was about to say, it does have the C-shaped ear tabs, which is good for my ears and my glasses. I don't wear these joints for fun. I gotta see. Oh, that is comfy. Yes, glueless. Scooch it over. I need the wig to fit. That color is cute. I'm just gonna brush some of these hairs down. I just want to make sure it's gonna blend my edges. You know what I'm saying? Like right there. See how I did that? Yeah. Just brush them down. Get my blow dryer brush, blow dry this on high to sleek it out a little bit. Pin this up, tighten down that drawstring. Where is it? Here we go. Tighten that down. Ooh, that is snug. She ain't going nowhere. I mean, if you pull it. Be prepared to fight, not me. I'm 40 years old. I can't do it. Okay, but I got cousins who love to fight. Okay, so please. Let's use the Time-O. Straighten this out, or sleek it out rather. Ooh, that's hot, hot, hot. Do 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 do. WowAfrican is always gonna give you quality. The hair texture, the density, the hairline, the lace. Quality. Look at that. Do y'all see how that sleeked out like that? I need a glove. I need a glove. I know this came with a glove and I probably threw it away trying to be cute. Look at me. Make sure the back is straight. I saw someone do a review on this and they were talking about something. It's not even hot over here. Who lied to you? Huh? Put your finger right there for 5 seconds and you tell me if it's hot. It may not be as hot as the comb portion, but it's hot. And mine is on number 4 right now. Lying to me like that. I dang near burnt my fingerprints off messing with you. Ooh, I'm pulling my wig back. I gotta make sure I move it back up. Use the side, because it's hot, to press down the root. Bring it in, hold it, press it down. See how I did that? Yeah. Move this back over. Open up my hairline a bit. Let's cut this off. Pretty short. Helps open up that hairline. Looks a little bit more natural around there because there's no baby hairs on here. Take a little bit of my Eco Styler. Tap that over those little pieces I just cut. Brush it down. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. And then, let me make sure it's pretty even. Clean them up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna do a little bumping to finish off the look. Ooh, that's hot. Let me turn it down a little bit. Bumpity, bump, bump, bumpity, bump, bump. Bump this up a little bit. Not too much, just a smidge. I'm gonna do a little powder in my parting space. Make sure this is flat. How I want it. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Use a little bit for my excess foundation. Brush, put that on there. It's a little light in some places. Use the excess for my contour brush. There we go. And I think we are Done. I went back in with my blow dryer and flattened this out a little bit more, and then I just combed my hair down right here on the side, and this is the final look. Now I'm gonna tell you something, I'm so disappointed. I just broke my wig. I didn't show it on camera because I wasn't filming when I did it. I pulled what I thought was the wig down. Turns out it was the drawstring, and I snapped it right off this side. Honestly, I zoned out and I just started pulling, and I wasn't thinking about what I was pulling, and yeah, I snapped mine off. I will try to fix that. I don't know if I can, but it's still fitting down pretty nice. I still didn't glue anything down, as you can see. Look at this. Okay, still no glue. I just tightened it down on this side, but my head is big, so you know, I can still fill it out. The color is gorgeous. It looks so natural, and I like how that looks on me. What I also like is that price point. 16 inches, 180% density. It also comes in 250, but you know, the 180 is just enough for me. And this one is $294, but with the discount is $199. Pre-cut, pre-plucked, 9x6 drawstring closure wig, highlighted kinky straight textured wig. I'm just here to share the deals, that's all. Write this one down for that man too. And don't worry, if the middle part is not for you, you can do a side part, a deep side part at that. You can also do a half up, half down. Y'all have seen me do this before. Even though this is not a full frontal wig, you can still give full frontal action. Style these wigs, okay? Get your money's worth. I'm feeling real extra with this one. Do you see the movement? Give me the card. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.